Hello guys, welcome to Tech Blog. In this video, you will learn about how to write a Python program to calculate the factorial of a given number using function. So you should know what is a factorial here and you should know how to define a function. So let's look into the factorial first. So let's take a number, let's say 5. 5 factorial. That factorial is denoted by an exclamation mark. So factorial is nothing but you have to multiply by the number and the numbers below it. So 5 factorial is denoted by the number, that is 5 itself, and the product of numbers below it, that is 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So these are 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 are the numbers below 5. So product of these will give you the factorial of number. So you should remember one more thing, that is 0 factorial is always equals to 1, and the factorial of negative number you cannot find out, that is a void. So you should remember this. So with these three conditions, let's try to define a function using while loop. So we'll use while loop here for finding out the factorial. So if you need the function using for loop, you can check the description. There is a link for that video as well. So now let's try to find the factorial of a function using while loop. So let me define a function. So function is defined by def and give the factorial, and you have to pass the argument, that is num or number. So passing the argument as number. So let's take a product variable equals to 1 and initialize it. And here what I do is while number is greater than 1, so you have to find the product. Product equals to product multiplied by the number, and you have to negate the number, that is number equals to number minus 1, that is decrement the number. So this is using the while loop. So once that is done, so you have to return the product using the return keyword. So now let's ask a user to enter a number. Let's take temporary variable num equals to, use the input function call and ask a user to enter the number. Convert these to int because return type of input is string. So convert it using type conversion int. So once it is done, so let's check if number is negative value. If number is less than 0, what you have to do is print the number is invalid. Factorial is not possible, or anything of your choice like incorrect value or negative value, factorial cannot be found out. So this is a condition for the negative value if the user enters negative number. So else what you do is you print the factorial, that is factorial of number is comma, let's call this function, this is a function, and let's pass the num variable. So this is a complete program using while loop to find factorial of a number. So let me run this and show you how it works. So let's give negative number, let's say minus 2. So you can see that number is invalid, factorial is not possible, it is printed. Let me run with 0. So you can see 0 factorial is 1. Let's give 1 and you can see 1 factorial is 1. Now let's give 5. 5 factorial is 120. Again let's give minus 1. So you can see it is invalid number or the factorial cannot be found. Let's give 7. So you can see factorial of 7 is 5040. So this is a program to find the factorial using the while loop and using the function. So hope you like this video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.